Welcome back. The question is, a cubical solid aluminium block has an edge length of 1 meter on the surface of the earth. It is kept on the floor of 5 kilometer deep ocean. So taking the average density of water and the acceleration due to gravity to be 10 power 3 into kg per meters cube and 10 meter per second square respectively, then the change in the edge length of the block in millimeter is. So let V is equal to V of dP by dV. Finding the magnitude of change in the volume, we know that 70 to 10 power 9 by V by dV into 10 power 3 into 10 into 5 into 10 power 3, we get that 7000. 5 by 7000 is equal to dV by V. So V is equal to I cube. We know that. So dV by V is equal to 3 into di by I. So di by I is equal to 5 by 21,000. So we get di is equal to 5 into 21 into milli. 10 power 3 meters divided by 10 power 3. So we get di is equal to 0.238 millimeters. So the answer is 0.23 to 0.24.